Alright, I'm going to show you how to do the figure 8 stitch for this blanket. Now, as you can see, I've got a good bit of it done. So what you do for the figure 8 stitch is, and remember, always work, that was my phone, got an email, always work in the way that is comfortable for you, because especially with your E-wraps, most people can do the E-wraps, you know, either way. With your purl stitches, I know with me, I am not ambidextrous at all. So when it comes to doing the purl stitch, I need it to be going a certain way. So that you need to think about before you even start this video. Let me move my lighting down some. Okay, so here we are. Our last peg, remember these are not connected or else this would be a big tube and not a blanket. So we wrap around that last peg, pull up. Again, this is to do the single drop stitch. Then we wrap it again, and we wrap the next peg. Take the bottom over the top. So we wrap, you rewrap that peg. When we're done, every single peg will have 2 loops on it. And all you do is you wrap 2 pegs, knit off the second, wrap 2 pegs, knit off the second. See? So you rewrap that one that you just knitted off. We'll slow this down so you can see. I hope my lighting's okay. I'm having trouble telling. Okay, so you wrap those 2 pegs, knit that one off. The one you just knitted off, you wrap it, knit the second. Are you serious?
I'm sorry.
Really? You just did that?
Didn't even think.
Yeah, well, that video is getting posted, so all props are going to Jeremy Clegg for that one. Okay. Alright. You do this all the way around, which I'm going to pause this for a minute, do the rest of the row, and I'll show you how to end up that row.